Hello, this is Marko Vovk from www.houseinvestigations.com. The improper installation of cultured stone and other fabricated stone products are resulting in major deterioration and mold problems all over America. These fabricated products are absorbent and act as small sponges stuck together to the exterior of many of our homes. If you are going to build a home with sponges, then you must be able to dry and drain it. Hundreds of thousands of homes that have had these fabricated cladding installation contractors who install these cladding systems were not properly trained, educated, or certified. Many of these homes lack the proper and necessary drainage systems. All homes must properly drain the rain. In many cases, these absorbent fabricated stone cladding material was simply stuck directly to the house wrap, wire mesh, or to the wood sheeting without proper drainage space, such as furring strips or a mechanical rain screen product. These systems were also installed without a proper drainage plane, such as a properly installed tar paper or properly installed house wrap. Many homes did have the house wrap installed, except it may now be defective and may no longer properly function as intended due to it being exposed to sunlight for too long during construction, or not properly taped at house wrap joints, or had too many nail hole penetrations. These man-made cladding systems absorb water and get wet from normal rain, overflow of dirty gutters, overflow of gutters with leaf contraptions bought at home garden shows, sprinkler heads being too close to the home that permit wetting of the siding, or poorly foundation grading conditions which permit poor drainage of water. These man-made manufactured products absorb water and transfer moisture to the home's interior walls, where the wood structure deteriorates, permits mold growth, and attracts wood-boring insects. It is truly amazing that the builders did not learn from their past similar installation mistakes with the EIFS, exterior insulated finish systems, or synthetic stucco failure crisis, which ultimately resulted in many class action lawsuits and cost hundreds of millions of dollars worth of damage to our homes. So how can history repeat itself? When a child becomes burned by the stove, the child learns that it is painful and a child stays away from the stove. It seems that many builders keep touching the stove and keep getting burned, and we the homeowners will continue to suffer for these builder mistakes. Many of these moisture and mold problems are not visible. In addition, when these moisture problems become visible, the builder is nowhere to be found, or the builder's warranty has expired. Finally, your general homeowner's insurance usually will not cover this type of moisture event because it is not sudden, such as a tornado or hailstorm, and considered by insurance companies to be a long-term moisture intrusion defect caused by poor initial installation. Sometimes there are signs that the home has active deterioration from this type of moisture intrusion. The home may experience musty odors from mold, rotting floors, leaking windows, and leaking doors. Additionally, you may notice ant frass from carpenter ants, actual carpenter ants, termite mud tunnels, actual termites, or other insects. Finally, you may see rotted structural joists, band joist or sill plates, in the joist pockets above the basement drop ceilings. Due to this new emerging man-made cladding problem, many of the EIFS moisture experts are turning into expert cultured stone moisture investigators. Tom Gaba, who is one of the area's leading EIFS moisture investigators, states that the new cultured stone complaints are slowly replacing the 90s EIFS synthetic stucco complaints.
The same problems that are happening with the stucco is going to happen with the cultured stone. Water is going to get behind it. It's not going to have an avenue to be eliminated to the exterior, drained to the exterior, and it's going to cause damage, deterioration, and rot to the structure of the building. The product itself is very good. It's the installation like anything else, whether it be wood, brick, vinyl siding, or stucco. It's the installation. If it's not adhered to the manufacturer's standards, or somebody deviates in flashings and caulking recommendations, you're going to have failure.
When inspectors perform culture stone cladding inspections, they have to probe and test the interior of the walls with surface and probe type calibrated moisture meters. Do not rely on the dog and pony show cheaper thermal imaging inspections. Many times, house conditions are not optimal and thermal imaging results can be inconclusive. I have on numerous occasions used my own thermal imaging camera and have missed inner wall deterioration areas because the thermal imaging conditions were not optimal. The old-fashioned method of drilling, puncturing, and moisture testing works best and provides valuable results. If you are building a home or are thinking about using one of these man-made products, make sure your contractor, builder, developer, or installer is educated, knowledgeable, and certified. Before you hire them, make sure your installer understands how to properly install culture stone and other man-made products. If you have this product and you suspect deterioration may be lingering, you should consider having it inspected and tested by a moisture expert. In most cases, full removal and replacement may be required. Thank you. This is Marko Vovk from www.houseinvestigations.com. Please subscribe to my channel and rate my video.